Good morning, my dear children. Get ready for the class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. See, we are doing simultaneous equations in two variables. We are solving the two linear equations. Solving by integration method. Today, another model. I am explaining first examples. See, solve solve by elimination method. Elimination, elimination, elimination method. Number one, first equation 47x plus 31y is equal to 63 and 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. Here, two equations are given. By observing, coefficients are exchanging, interchanging. X coefficient in the first equation, x coefficient is 47. In the second equation, y coefficient is 47. Same coefficients are exchanged in two equations. And here coefficient of y in first equation is 31. The same 31 is x coefficient in second equation. Whenever the problem is like this, easy, once we have to add and subtract, we get two equations separate. Adding, this is 78x plus 78y is equal to 78. Then taking 78 common, we get x plus y is equal to 78. X plus y is equal to 78 by 78. So x plus y is equal to 1. This is say third equation. And subtracting. First step of adding, second step subtraction. 47x plus 31y is equal to 63 and 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. Subtracting. In subtraction, change the signs. Subtraction, what we are getting here, 60x, 16, 7 minus 1, minus 16y is equal to 13 minus 5, 8, 5 minus 1, 4. Here 16 is common. Taking 16 common, x minus y is equal to 48. X minus y is equal to 48 by 16. X minus y is equal to 3. Equation 4. Solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. What is third equation? X plus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 3. So, adding. By adding plus y minus y cancel, 2x is equal to 4. And x is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute x value. Substitute x value in equation 1, in equation 3. What is the 3? X plus y is equal to 1 and x value is 2. 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. These are the values. This is a different method. When these coefficients are exchanging, immediately you add ones, subtract ones. In addition, we are getting new equation x plus y is equal to 1. We say this is third equation. And in subtraction, we are getting x minus y is equal to 3. That is, say, fourth equation. Solving 3 and 4. Plus y minus y cancel by adding. In addition, 2x is equal to 4. We are adding x equal to 2. We got x. Substituting x value in equation 3. What is 3? X plus y is equal to 1. X values we are substituting 2. Then y is 1 minus 2. Y is minus 1. This is the solution. You you substitute in second equation. Check. 31 into 2. Check. Check. Second equation. 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. 31 into 2 x value. 47 into 1 because y is minus 1. 62 minus 47, that is 15. 15 equal to 15. True. Like this we have to check. 15 equal to 15 means LHS is equal to RHS. So these are easy. One more of this same type. I will give one more. Solve 65 65x minus 33y is equal to 97 and 33x minus 65y is equal to 85. Solve the two equations. Let's say this is first equation, second equation. Once add, first time add, second time subtract. We get two more new equations. This is adding 98x minus 98y is equal to 12, 192. Taking 98 common, x minus y is equal to 192. X minus y is equal to 192 by 98. To 98. 97 and this is 80, not 85, 1. This is 1 bob. 98, 98, 98. So this is 1. X minus y is equal to 1. We say the equation 3, new equation. In addition, we are getting new equation. In subtraction, second time, subtract 65x minus 33y is equal to 97. 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. Minus plus minus 32x plus 32y is equal to 96. Taking 92 common, x plus y is equal to 96. X plus y is equal to 96 by 32. Ones are 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. Equation 4. Solving 3 and 4. What is 3? X minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 3. Adding plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute 2 value. Substitute substitute x value in equation 3. What is 3? X minus y is 1. X value 2. 2 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. Like this we have to do. And such problems are given in 14, 5a. You please do at home. Try this. I am explaining today only this. Okay. When the coefficients are exchanging 65, 65, 33, 30, then apply this method. First time add, we get a new equation, third equation. Given equations are first 2, 1 and 2. And subtract, like the word here, subtracting. Subtracting. In subtraction, we are changing the signs. Then 32x plus 32y is equal to 96. X plus y is equal to 3. Say that is fourth equation. In addition, we are getting the third equation. In subtraction, we are getting fourth equation. Again, we are solving 3 and 4. This is third equation, this is fourth equation. 1 plus 5 minus 5 cancel in addition. 2x equal to 4. 1x, x equal to 2. Substitute x value in equation 3. We get y value 1. 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. Check. If you want, do check also. I will do here, check. Check. Take the second equation. 33x minus 65y is 1. 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. 33 into 2 minus 65 into 1. 66 minus 65, 1. 1. 1 equal to 1. True. Like this, we have to check our